Hello and welcome to Anglo Legal. My name is John, I'm a practicing British and international lawyer, and I'm the Client Affairs Manager here at Anglo Legal. I'm backed up by in-house English-speaking Thai attorneys, barristers, consultants and accountants. We're here for all of your expat and foreign national needs within Thailand. Our offices are conveniently situated next to Big C, Pattaya Thai. Now, over the past few weeks, we've been doing videos with regards to staying long-term in Thailand correctly. And this is due to the crackdowns on immigration, border runs, and people here doing extensions based on tourist visas, etc. We've already discussed retirement visas. We've already discussed family visas based on marriage and family. Today, we're here to discuss visas for those who basically want to live and work here in Thailand. And that route is the non-B visa. So the non-B visa is issued for those with a valid job offer from a Thai company. The key is that the company must apply for the necessary letters and permits first, allowing you, the applicant, to apply for the non-B visa from outside of Thailand. Once granted, you enter Thailand and the company then applies for your work permit. You are then legally allowed to work only when you hold both the non-B visa and the work permit, and you must have those in place. Now, the financial requirements is based on your salary, which must meet the minimum thresholds set by the Ministry of Labour. And these vary by nationality, but is usually about 50,000 Thai baht per month. That's for Western nationalities. Specific amounts depends on the current ministerial regulations for work permit extensions. The companies must also have sufficient Thai labour and Thai company registered capital to allow them to apply for an overseas worker. The new regulations strictly limiting tourist visa extensions are scrutinising repeated visa runs. This is a major warning for those seeking work or who are working here, potentially illegally. Relying on a tourist visa to search for or to start a job is an extremely risky thing to do. With the current crackdown, the investigations, the operational plans by immigration, by police, if you're caught working without the correct visa and without a work permit, it's financial penalties, you could be arrested, you could face criminal charges, deportation and blacklisting. Obviously, if you want to live and work here long term, that's not what you want. So the best way is to secure your non-B visa from overseas, get your work permit and work lawfully. Now that takes you into company and corporations. A lot of people don't want to find work here, for example, in schools, being teachers, etc. They may have business partners, they may have business ideas. So you can set up your own Thai limited company, subject to the correct rules and regulations. No nominees, it goes without saying. Once you have sufficient Thai labour working for your company, then your own company can supply those documents to you for you to apply for your non-B visa and work permit. So it's not just about seeking a job, you can actually create your own job and your own company to reside here lawfully. Now remember, your annual stay is granted for 1 year. Your company must then, or your employer must then, with significant time ahead of your extension, prepare for the documents needed to support your extension. This is a lot more onerous than traditional visas. And some documents, such as documents from the Thai Revenue Department, can take up to 3 weeks to get to be able to support the application for a further extension of 1 year. Your business visa, if you leave the country, is still like any others. You still require your re-entry permit. So if you're looking to leave for whatever reason, it's important to have your visa and your re-entry permit in place. If you don't, you come back in, your visa is cancelled because you come back in on a visa exempt, which then basically gives you 60 days at the present time, and you start the process all over again. So quite simply, for those looking to live and work here legally and lawfully, so you don't have to look over your shoulder, the non-B visa is the one for you. Coupled with a work permit, then you're safe, you're secure, you're here lawfully. And if anybody asks, if anybody checks, you're doing it legally. For all of your business needs, for all of your immigration needs in Thailand, contact our experienced Thai attorneys. They're all English speaking who can assist you all the way through the process. So keep watching for more. Stay safe, stay legal. Thank you.